So my name is Steve Gregus. I'm a mechanical designer here at Edge Automation. The door flipper cell is meant to flip pallets of doors. So pallets of doors weighing anywhere from 200 to 5,000 pounds.
My name is Matt Hearn. I'm a custom machine builder. The customer will have doors and they need to be flipped for whatever reason, whether it's a transfer to a different type of CNC or just for whatever reason they need to be flipped. So the operator will load the doors and press go, and the machine will clamp the doors, flip the doors, and then a conveyor comes in to unload the doors.
At the HMI, they can select clamping pressure essentially, so that they make sure that the doors don't get damaged in rotation.
They were just spending too much time flipping the doors and doing it manually, where this is just an automated system to do it for them and increase efficiency and lower the cost of their production.
So this door flipper isn't really an off-the-shelf, obviously. It's again custom automation. So our customer comes to us and they say, hey, we need a solution. We have, we haven't seen anything out there, so they come to us. You have to kind of go through the design and really figure out a specific solution to that problem.